If you're watching this video, you are interested in giving your chickens a little extra shade. This is our mobile coop. The girls and boy are out on grass out here, and we're in Georgia, so it's gonna get warmer here pretty soon. And since that's the case, we're gonna work on creating an additional spot here for the chickens to be under as it gets warmer. We also put water up under there and keep that a little cooler for them. So let's go ahead and get started. A few things you'll need to make this work are chickens, a chicken tractor or chicken coop, a drill and some drill bits, a grommet kit. This is a 4x5 piece of canvas. You can really use whatever size you want, but this is what I chose. You're also going to need you a couple little hooks like this. I don't think the size really matters that much. I found these in my tool shed, but they just have one kind of screw end on the side that's going to go straight into your chicken coop. You also want a mallet and a block of wood so you can put your grommets in, and 2 of these step-in posts. I'll try to put a link to all this in the description below. So you're going to take your grommets out and get those kind of set up like you want them. If you don't know how to do grommets, just do a quick YouTube search and that will show you how to do it. I've really not messed with them a whole bunch myself, but that's why YouTube was invented, so we could figure all this stuff out. As you can see here, the grommet is secure. You're going to do this 4 more times in the each corner of the canvas. We've got 4 grommets in our canvas. We're going to go ahead and take it out to the coop now and get it set up. So next up, you're going to take your canvas and figure out approximately where you want it to be. You can either go kind of long ways away from the coop, or you can put it kind of alongside the coop. I'm going to try away from the coop first. And again, if you mess up, you can just redo it. This is really not that big of a deal. I'm going to go like that. Next, I'm just going to drill a hole in this 2x2. And that's just a little bit of a pilot hole for my hook to go in. And then I'm going to screw this hook in. And leave it up. From here, I'm going to put this on the hook here and eyeball where I want the other end to go. I'm going to put that approximately here-ish. All right, so I'm going to grab my drill and drill my pilot hole into this side now. There we go. And let's get the other hook in here. And just take your piece of canvas, find your grommet, put it on there. One of the reasons I like these little step-in posts is because they have this flange here. I don't know if you can see, but you can actually slide it like this and you pivot it, and then it locks it in here. So hopefully you can see that. At this point, you take your step-in post. I put it in a little bit of an angle and step it in, and there you go. Go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. So as you can see, they've got some additional shade. Whenever we want to move the chicken tractor, we're just going to pull them up out of the ground because they're just step-in posts, and stick them on top of the coop and move them 1 length forward and then put them right back in there. Rocky, what do you think about the new shade that I'm offering you? Yeah? If you want to watch a video about cute baby chicks and bringing them home, click over here. And if you want to watch a video about our mobile chicken coop and the ins and outs of that, go ahead and click over here.